What if we told you that the most powerful innovations of the next decade aren't coming from Silicon Valley giants, but from startups you've barely heard of? Startups that are decoding brainwaves, designing ethical artificial general intelligence, rewiring medicine, challenging Google, and creating AI-powered cities. These companies are small today, but they're solving billion-dollar problems with cutting-edge AI. And in just 5 years, they might reshape life as we know it. This is Futuristic Edge, and these are the 10 AI startups that will rule the world in 5 years. Let's dive in. Founded in 2023, DeepSeek AI exploded onto the scene with a clear vision: bring AGI to the world, starting with China. Their flagship model, DeepSeek V2, boasts 236 billion parameters, making it one of the largest publicly discussed models in the world. But it's not just big. It's fast, smart, and practical. DeepSeek doesn't just answer questions like ChatGPT. It's optimized for mathematical problem-solving, code generation, and logical reasoning. Their training methods blend Chinese and English corpora, allowing for multilingual fluency and cultural understanding. What makes them stand out even more is their open-source first strategy. This gives developers full access to state-of-the-art AI tools that would normally be locked behind API walls. That means faster innovation, more transparency, and massive potential for adoption. In 5 years, DeepSeek may be China's answer to OpenAI. Or maybe, something even bigger. Neurable is leading a revolution you can feel in your mind. Their MW75 Neuro headphones don't just cancel noise. They read your brain. Using advanced EEG sensors and AI, the headphones track your focus levels in real time. The accompanying app gives insights on your attention, alertness, and mental fatigue, essentially becoming a mirror for your brain. But this is only the beginning. Neurable's longer-term vision is a full brain-computer interface that requires no surgery, no wires, and no friction. By decoding neural activity through machine learning, they hope to build devices you can control with thought alone. Imagine adjusting Spotify volume with a thought, navigating AR glasses, or writing text with just your intent. In 5 years, Neurable could pioneer the next evolution of human-computer interaction: mind-driven technology. Anthropic was founded by former OpenAI leaders with one goal: ensure artificial intelligence evolves safely. Their response to this mission is Claude. Claude isn't just a chatbot. It's a model trained through constitutional AI, a method where AI systems are guided by human-written principles during training, reducing the chances of harmful outputs. This isn't just a technical solution. It's a philosophical one. It means the AI reasons based on a value framework, rather than just learning to imitate human responses. Claude is already competing with GPT-4 in reasoning, language fluency, and summarization. But it also shows improved behavior when it comes to safety, hallucination avoidance, and alignment. Backed by billions in funding and partnerships with Notion, Zoom, and Amazon, Anthropic is building AI that can be trustworthy and superintelligent. AGI might be coming. Anthropic wants to make sure it benefits humanity. AI in healthcare often promises a lot, but few startups tackle the real bottleneck: administrative complexity and compliance. That's where Taxo comes in. Taxo's system acts like a medical analyst. It ingests messy clinical notes, insurance rules, diagnostic data, and billing records. Then, using specialized language models trained on real patient datasets, it helps identify incorrect codes, suggest better documentation, highlight high-risk patients, and summarize long health records. By automating the most painful parts of healthcare paperwork, Taxo reduces burnout, increases patient face time, and improves outcomes. Their innovation is not just in what they do, but in how they access data. Taxo built partnerships that unlock sensitive but anonymized medical corpora, allowing for real-world training beyond public datasets. With regulations tightening and costs rising, AI like Taxo may become indispensable in every hospital. Kernel is doing what Neuralink dreams of, without the surgery. Their flagship product, Kernel Flow, is a helmet-like device that uses near-infrared light to scan the brain. It measures oxygenated blood flow in real time, similar to how fMRI works, but portable and much faster. When paired with machine learning, Kernel Flow delivers insights into attention, stress, cognition, and even emotional states. Already used in neuroscience labs, wellness experiments, and early mental health trials, Kernel Flow turns the brain into a quantifiable dashboard. Imagine future applications such as detecting early Alzheimer's, optimizing student learning environments, and providing personalized neurofeedback. Kernel wants to bring brain data to the world the same way Fitbits brought biometrics to our wrists. Hippocratic AI is taking a safety-first approach to medical chatbots. Instead of rushing to replace doctors, they focus on low-risk but high-volume use cases such as discharge instructions, medication explanations, and appointment reminders. What sets them apart is their training pipeline, which includes clinical simulation environments, expert physician validators, and outcome-driven quality assurance loops. This startup doesn't just deploy models. It tests them like drugs, with rigorous validation, role-play testing, and continual feedback. Their ultimate goal is to make AI a companion to healthcare teams, not a replacement. In a field where errors cost lives, Hippocratic's safety-first ethos may be the gold standard for AI medicine. Paris-based Mistral AI is leading the charge for open-source large language models in Europe. Their innovation lies in creating ultra-compact, high-performance models trained efficiently using cutting-edge data curation. Mistral's models rival GPT 3.5 in power but can be run locally, even on high-end consumer hardware. This approach means developers, governments, and startups in Europe can build AI apps without relying on US tech giants. Their second release, Mistral, combines multiple models in a mixture of experts framework, making it fast, scalable, and cost-efficient. In a world that increasingly values data sovereignty, Mistral could become the foundation of a European AI ecosystem. Now let's shift from large language models to AI that doesn't just answer questions, it performs actions. Imbue is one of the boldest companies aiming to build reasoning agents that can operate autonomously in the real world. Imbue's AI agents go beyond basic chatbot functionality. Their technology enables planning multi-step tasks, executing workflows, interacting with software environments, and adapting to changing goals. Whether it's browsing the internet, managing spreadsheets, or operating a user interface, Imbue's agents act like junior employees, capable of figuring things out instead of waiting for exact commands. Their platform is built on a foundation of reinforcement learning and symbolic reasoning, enabling the agents to make decisions with minimal prompting. This is the future of digital labor. In the coming years, these kinds of AI will move from being reactive assistants to proactive collaborators. Imbue is training AI not just to communicate, but to think, reason, and take initiative. Now imagine a world where you never have to click through 10 search results again. That's the world Perplexity AI is building. Perplexity is turning traditional search on its head. Instead of returning a list of links, its engine delivers direct, cited answers pulled from across the web, all powered by custom retrieval augmented generation models. It's fast, accurate, and refreshingly free from SEO manipulation. What sets Perplexity apart is its reliability and clarity. You can see the sources behind each fact, and the AI even lets you drill down further by refining your questions. That makes it a favorite among developers, academics, and anyone tired of misinformation online. Backed by significant venture funding and used by millions, Perplexity is one of the few AI products poised to challenge Google head-on. If search becomes a conversation, Perplexity wants to be the one you talk to. And finally, let's talk about the future of coding itself. Replit isn't just an online code editor, it's becoming the gateway for anyone to build and deploy software, powered by AI. Their in-platform assistant, Ghostwriter, is far more than autocomplete. It can understand incomplete code, suggest efficient solutions, debug in real time, and explain what each section is doing in natural language. It bridges the gap between beginner and expert by lowering the barrier to entry into software development. Replit's broader mission is to make software creation as simple as creating a slide deck. And with Ghostwriter, that vision is accelerating. In schools, solo founder startups, and indie hacker communities, Ghostwriter is quietly revolutionizing how people bring their ideas to life through code. In 5 years, Replit may not just be a tool. It may be a full-fledged AI-powered development partner, always online, always ready, always improving. These aren't just startups. They're glimpses of the world 5 years from now. AI isn't just changing how we work, it's changing who we are. So which startup blew your mind the most? Drop your pick in the comments. And if you want to stay years ahead of the future, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and stay sharp. Futuristic Edge out.